Is internet dangerous? What dangers exist? We will explore the dangers of the internet and some protection tips based on data from CiMe, a Spanish cybersecurity organization. It is important to establish privacy measures and take precautions against cybercrime, such as using strong passwords and updating security software. According to Elena Carrera, cybersecurity technician for citizens of Invice, grooming is
de acoso a través de internet, en este caso, bueno, pues con connotaciones sexuales de una persona adulta a un menor, puede ser un joven, un adolescente, y utilizando siempre pues las redes sociales, internet.
Digital identity is important to maintain a good image and healthy relationship on the internet. In serious problems, it is crucial to have trust adults and seek help from experts. CiMe's free telephone number 017 is available to provide support and advice to minors and the event of problems on internet.